I say you should do normal coffee for me now. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. You are spending the weekend with us. So today is Thursday. I'm starting this vlog right here. I'm making some dinner, but I made this dinner in the afternoon because I had to go visit my sister because she just moved into a apartment. So just a simple spaghetti recipe. This tasted so delicious, so amazing. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just making this so that when I come back in the evening, I won't go to the kitchen to cook the food again. So this is what the food looks. I had to plate this for you all. This is what the food looks. This tastes so delicious. I made this for myself, baby girl, and for hubby. This is what we had for dinner stroke lunch. So love, if you remember in my previous vlog where I went for shopping and the giveaway, so these are the things I got. I got this green juice recipe. I'm just going to be listing up the things that are inside. Okay, this green juice is so amazing. After this, I'll blend it. Okay, I blended it, then strain, and I kept this in the fridge. It came out in 4 bottles. I took this every single day, and this really helped me to, do the number two very well. Like I did the number two so well. Like my stomach was so empty after I drank this and did the number two. My stomach was so empty. Like give this a try, loves, and you will see amazing results. We could be here forever. Now it seems that we're lost in a memory. So I've been waiting for excuses I don't really. Hi guys, so I just came back from my sister's house. I did not take you guys along. I just came back from my sister's house. And when you go to your sister's house, you go and be shopping and shopping. Yes, of course, I shopped. Stop that. I shopped and shopped and shopped and shopped. So I'll show you guys what I shopped from my sister's house. Mama. When you have elder sister, you just go to their house and go and pack all your clothes. Even if say I don't mind, I still they go my sister's house, go they collect clothes. Yes. Anyway, let me just show you guys what I collected from my house, sha. And I get clothes too, but there is this spirit that when you go to your sister's house, you will still collect something from your sister. Yes, that spirit they follow me for body. Alright guys, what is the problem? So my people, this is what I got though. This one, she bought this one new. I just snatched this one from my hand. She got this one's new. I snatched it. Yeah, River Island. I snatched this one from my hand. This one, she not wear this one. I collect her. Like 2 bags. You get elder sister. Go and shop free clothes. See ya. I get clothes too, but I just like wearing my sister's clothes. Do I do bad thing? Let me know in the comment section if I do bad thing. See. Okay, let's open this one. This one will not be my size, but I go shape am to my size. See this one. This one. And this one. Sorry, my bed is scattered. This one. Guys, I am doing some cleaning, like the clothes and the rest. See if mama done that side. So I just put all this up here. I hope they don't fall off. Then rearranged my stuff. All these ones, I just rearrange them, and this one too. Yeah, so these ones I'm going to put them where they're supposed to be. And I have moved my bed. You can see now it's in the center with the two distant. So I'm just cleaning. So that's what I am doing right now. And can you guys see me? Like there's no light though. So as there's no light, I start cleaning. That's water. You need to paint that area. And yeah, so there's no light, and I start to clean house. Now so my afternoon do. See poop out. If I stand up, people will not see this pooper. But when I sit down, pooper will just come outside. Motherhood no easy. Let me show you guys my picture of before motherhood. I'll put it here so you guys will see that I'll get flat tummy, but motherhood has given me pooper. I love it anyway. I love the pooper. Yes. So keep on watching, loves. I'm done cleaning and rearranging the room. So right now I'm trying to prepare lunch for me and my daughter. We are having semo and vegetable soup. That's what we're having for lunch. And I'll also be catching up on some YouTube videos that I haven't watched. So I hope you enjoyed this video to the end. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, share, and comments. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and thank you all so much for the 5k subscribers. Your loves, like you guys are the best. A video me explaining how we came about this 5k subscribers is coming soon. I'm gonna drop that video, how God made it happen for me. Yeah,
wanna lose this, been lying to myself. Girl, you know that I've been through this. Waves are crashing, scars and bruises. I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this. When these waves come crashing down, yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, but my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing.
I look for answers, I ain't finding loads. With me and you know I gave it all my life and soul. We drifted off and still it's left me with these giant holes. Nothing to fill the gap and all I feel is highs and lows. I pour a drink and sit and wonder why we rivaled lows. See, I was man enough to leave, you gave the final blows. There's many fish out in the sea, I guess what I suppose. I think it's time I let it go.
Waves come crashing down. Yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, but my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down.
good morning guys, welcome to a new day in the life. So this is 6 a.m in the morning, and I just came off my alarm and go back to sleep. So me, I normally wake up around 7. So today is Saturday, so I hope you enjoy today's activities with us, because hubby will be home and we'll have a lot of things to do. I say you should do normal coffee for me now. Thank you.
You say you bring it also.
No, I say I'll put milk in my own, but you should do the coffee, but I'll put milk in my own.
Very sugar.
You are to pitch. You are to pitch. Every time to pitch.
Oh, no mira so many cups.
Today me I will learn to pitch from your mouth. Give me that. Give me that.
See, I have pocket a lot. to come.
Sugar is okay.
I give it. I give it 3.
Why you give me 3? I'm trying to cut down on my sugar intake. We are trying to reduce it. You want me to be fat?
Big cow.
You want me to be fat?
Big cow.
You like fat wife?
No,
You like fat
put
wife?
you on. I don't put you outside the window because you know and that.
You want me to get fat? What a disappointment. What a freaking disappointment. So I had to go to the kitchen to get water to brush my teeth. And I was brushing my teeth. Oga said he has gist for me. Oh. Men can gist. Like, do you know that I was brushing my teeth? I finished brushing my teeth. He was gisting me, gisting me, gisting me, and gisting me. Even I went to go and pee. He still stand there and be gisting me the more. Men can gist there. And the gist was so interesting. Me, when he said I was laughing, I was asking more and more what happened. This one happened, that what happened. He was just gisting me.
That we're lost in a memory. 'Cause I've been waiting for excuses. I don't really wanna lose this. Been lying to myself, girl, you know that
So as madam has not woken up, sometimes when I wake up, I try to edit some of my videos when she has not woken up so that I can be posting videos. This was my hair video, so I was trying to edit it so I can post, because on Saturday I post my hair video on Saturday, so I was trying to edit the video I'll be posting for that Saturday.
been through this. Waves are crashing, scars and bruises. I don't think that I can do this. I don't think that I can do this. When these waves come crashing down, yeah, my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down. When these waves come crashing.
I still remember how it used to be. It was only you and me, on the phone at every opportunity. I used to know your number fluently. Now you see my face, you're thinking, who is he? You want the truth, it's deep. Cause now I'm losing sleep, I'm laying in this bed alone, I'm never running back to.
So love, later in the day, hubby decided to make this in baby guest room, and he's making the second one. So we also. So guys, hubby is okay. Want to test it? He's trying to check the size of it so that he will know that it's gonna enter the window. So he does not do the one that will not enter the window. And I'll show you guys the finished look of this project is done. Yeah. So I'm done with everything I'm doing. I had my bath. This is the outfit I'm wearing. This tights and this tube top. Madam has slept. I made her hair, and hubby is done with the project he did in her room. This is what it looks like. He did it in her 2 windows, this one and the other one. We're going to be adding nets on it as well. Then he also did the same project in our room. I went to night market though. This is what I got. Anyway, let me unbox all this and I'll show you guys. Okay. Leave that vegetable alone. So guys, these are all I bought. Like this ugu here is 300. This is 25. This is 400. Like 200 for each. This is 500 naira onions. This is 500 naira orange. This is 600 naira. Okay, those 2 fruits there, 600. This is 1000. This is 600. This is 300. This one is, that cucumber is 200. And this okra is 500 naira. I know that there are so many that have spoiled inside. This tomato is 500 naira. This akufa is 200 naira. This chicken, is 2,900. So loves, this is all I got for take 8,000 naira. 8,000 something plus minus. Oh, which 8,000? 10,000. Ewe. The vegetables are the vegetables are 8,000. 8,000 something. Why the chicken is 2,000 something? So plus minus all these things is 10,000 naira. Yeah. So guys, I've washed my stuff. I've washed all this. I'm gonna keep it here. This is where my carrot is. This is the tomato. This is this one. I want to make green juice again. I finished the last batch I made, so I'll make another one. Yeah. So the next thing I want to do now is to arrange this ugu, wash it, slice it, keep it, then wash this with salt and slice it and put it in the fridge, and yeah, then give baby girl her bath and clean that place as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys.
It's better if it's left alone. I feel the waves are crashing down. I tilt my head and float. I think it's best to let it go.
Waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, the waves come crashing down, and these waves come crashing down, and my feet won't reach the ground. Yeah, these waves come crashing down.
So, anyway, take. Show me. Take this one. Give me that. You don't like pawpaw?
Mama. No. No.
It's fine. What is it?
Sit.
You want to sit?
Sit.
Hey, this child.
Mama.
Hmm?
Sit.
Mia. Hey.
Mama.
Yeah?
Sit.
You can't sit there. Mama is busy. Shoes is this.
Yeah, listen.
What do you with your mouth?
There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Would you the cash?
Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. Yeah, it's starting this Sunday with no light. As usual, Nigeria, every time, no light. That's why my background is dark. So thank God yesterday night I blended my tomato.
Okay.
Say good morning. Say good morning. I say wave, say hello. Say hello.
Mama.
Eh?
Hi.
Sorry, I say hello. Say hello.
Out.
It's aunt. Oh yeah, say hello now so I can do my this thing. Say hello. Mia. So why did you say you want to say hi guys when you cannot say hello? Say good morning. Say good morning.
Yeah.
Say good morning.
Mama.
Mona, your Mona is good morning. Say hello. Say hello. Your Mona. If you say good morning, she says, Mama na, Mona. I don't know what she's saying. Anyway, she will get there. I've used 1 minute to already rant. Okay, so this morning I want to start making the soup and stew. Then make breakfast like It's gonna be a lot of cooking. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed staying the weekend with us because I think I started this vlog that on Friday or Thursday. I don't know. But when I'm editing it, I shall know. But I know yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday. So I think I started this vlog that Thursday or Friday. But anyhow, let's move. I need to remove all these plates. Then I already blended our tomato yesterday and cooked it. So I'm happy about that because right now there's no light. Yes. Right now there's no light. So I also marinated the chicken last night. So I'll just cook it now. I'm also using chicken to cook the okra soup. Yeah, so let's just jump into the cooking. If you've not subscribed, if you watch this SNI, you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. Sorry that my ranting was 2 minutes and I just need to explain everything to you all. Yeah, so let's go. So gloves, let's start cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cook the chicken and prep everything I need to cook the food. Then later on, I start matching the okra. I added pepper and okra, like use my mortar and match it together for it to draw. You know, sometimes you can use grater to grate it for it to draw. So me, I slice the okra, and right now I'm just going to match it for it to draw, and we'll start our cooking process. I'm done cooking the chicken, so right now I'm frying the chicken. This chicken is given, right? Who wants some? Come and take some. Come and take. So after I'm done frying it, I'll also be boiling the chicken I'm going to use to cook this soup because I'm using chicken for today's cooking. Chicken for soup, chicken for stew. Yeah. So I'm frying the chicken for this stew, and I'm also cooking the chicken for the soup. I only added black fish because I don't have this thing in the house. This is just a sharp soup and stew, okay? And I've put my onions and tomato and bay leaf. Okay, I'm frying the tomato and bay leaf with onions. This is what I'm doing right now. I want to start cooking the soup. I'm adding my oil, then put onions and then the okra, mix everything together. This is what it's looking like. It's giving, right? I've already added my chicken inside. Like the okra self is almost ready, self. Seriously, I like this food was just small clips I'm just putting for you all because I don't want the video to be extremely long. Yeah, if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. So I just added my chicken in this stew. This stew is so red. I did not use anything tomato. This is only fresh tomato stew, guys. Like fresh tomato stew is given. So right now I want to do our juice. Like guys, you know I've been saying I've been drinking green juice. So this is the remaining part of my parsley and my spinach. I added the same ingredient I added in the first one, the same ingredient I'm using, just minus the celery, because the celery I use all the celery for the first batch of this green juice. This juice was so amazing. Like I love this green juice. I'll be making more of this green juice. I also did carrot juice as well. This is the end of the soup and stew. They are all ready and it's time for us to chow. Yeah, so I cooked all this that Sunday. Like this Sunday was a Sunday of cooking, making juice, prepping for Monday. You know, Monday is a new week and we start our new week by Sunday. Yeah, so this is what the juice looks like. I'm going to strain. I need to get a juicer, guys. This training is a lot of work. Yeah, so I'm going to put juicer in my next bucket list. So this is the juice I did. I did 4 bottles again of juice and I'll be drinking this for 4 days and enjoy my new healthy living. So I'm done cooking. I've packed my soup and stew. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put this in the fridge. This is going to serve me for another maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, so I'm going to clean all this and put out the clothes I washed. Like this Sunday was Sunday of a lot of activities, love. Put out the clothes I washed, then I'll come back in your faces when I have showered, and I'm going to be making plantain as well. What is funny?
Mama. Party, party.
Planting.
Party.
Keep the planting.
The party. The party. It's party.
Mia, put that in there.
It's done. Is it bad? It's bad. It's bad.
What? I'm starting the plantain now.
Mama.
So good. To this speaking. Hey God. Munachisom, leave there. So love, this is my plantain. I'm frying. I'm going to fry this. Then you guys saw the wine I was about to drink. I'm going to have this with my plantain, and we're having rice and beans with plantain and wine. This is so amazing to cool off. This was in the afternoon, so amazing to cool off. And I'm also going to be watching some movies, and this is the end of my weekend routine. I hope you enjoyed this vlog with us. Thank you all so much for staying to this extent. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Thank you all for the lovely comments. You guys are amazing. Have an amazing week. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.